Hi everyone, want to take your chats with Grok AI to the next level? Here's how to have a smarter conversations with Grok AI. Let's get started. First, you need to be specific with your prompt. Don't just say general term or broad topics like tell me about fitness, it's too broad. Try create a 3-day beginner plan for fat loss. You need to be specific, then set that tone. You want a casual convo or a formal one or expert advice? Provide a tone. Say that explain like a friend or respond like a PhD in biology. Then ask for follow ups because the group remembers the context, so build on it. Say now your turn that into the tweet or can you simplify it more? Then the group AI will surely provide an answer to your follow ups. Then test its creativity. Write a bedtime story about the robot, or pitch a startup idea for introverts, or try whatever topics in order for you to test the creativity of an AI. Then don't stop at answers because the Grok AI help you to brainstorm, draft emails, prep for interviews, and whatever you need. Grooks are more than just a chat box. It's your creative sidekick. Use it smart and it feels like magic. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.